Hello student, today I am going to take an example of the B tree in which I shall take the order and I shall solve the question, because in the other example that I have taught you, the question were all based on degree, and here I shall take the order as the defining property for the B tree. So first I am taking the question, I am writing the question, and after that I shall solve this. So the question is, there are certain number. First of all, I shall give you order of B tree, right? Order of B tree is defined by a variable m, right? In the example, when the order is m, then the maximum number of children is equals to m minus 1 keys, or minimum keys is equals to children not keys, it's maximum number of keys is equals to m minus 1, and minimum is equals to m by 2 minus 1. And similarly, the maximum number of children is equals to m, and minimum number of children is equals to m by 2. This is the ceiling value of m by 2. So these are the terms that you should know, that if the order is equals to m, then the maximum number of keys is equals to m minus 1, and the minimum number of keys is equals to m by ceiling value of m by 2 minus 1. Similarly, the maximum number of children would be equals to m, and the minimum number of children would be m by 2. The relation is plus 1. It means plus 1, and here also the relation is plus 1. If there is a n number of keys, then there would be the n plus 1 children for a B tree node. So now I am going to take the example and I shall solve it. The question is, the numbers, I am just taking the number series. This question has came into the examination of AKTU in 2004-5, 25, 31, 38, 76, 5, 38, 8, 30, 15, 35, 17, then 23, 53, 27, 43, 65 and 48. These are the number that we have to insert the following into a B tree of order m is equals to 5. Okay, here in this question we have to insert following elements into a B tree of order 5. The order is equals to 5. So solution, order is equals to 5. So the maximum keys a node can hold is equals to m minus 1. So maximum keys a node can hold is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 keys. Okay, and minimum number of keys a node must hold is equals to m by 2. M by 2 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 keys, right? Since the order is equals to 5, and so in this case the order is equals to 5, so the maximum key a node can hold is equals to m minus 1. So that would be equals to m is equals to 5 minus 1 means 4 keys. A node can hold at most 4 keys. Similarly, the minimum number of keys a node should hold is equals to m by 2 minus 1. That would be equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 ceiling value would be equal, because 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5, and the ceiling value of 2.5 would be equals to 3. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 keys. So we have to construct the B tree, keeping in our mind that a node should hold at least 2 keys and at most 4 keys. So now I shall start drawing. So I am rubbing this. Right? So first the 4 element would create no problem. We shall insert 25, 31, 38 and 76. On inserting these elements will be inserted in the order as simple like this: 25, 31, 38 and 76. They are in series and they can be inserted easily because it can hold at most 4 elements. But next time when we try to insert the next element, that is 5. If it will try to insert the fifth element into that, then it will split. In the splitting, when order is the maximum number of elements is 5, and where this is the median number, split 4 by 2 is equals to 2. So in this case, suppose we are inserting the element, then what we do, we insert the element, then this could be the median and this could be the median. Either of these could be the median. If you start in the question that you take the median as the second element, then you will, throughout the question, you will take the second question as the root element. And if you can start with the third element as the root element, then you will keep in the question throughout the third element as the partitioning element, or that will become the root element. And both of these options are correct, but when you select any of these, then the whole question, the rule should be the same. Either you are taking the second element as the root element throughout the question, or the third element throughout the question. Both are correct, but you can follow only one condition throughout the question. So after the insert 5, this will become like 5, 25, 31, then 38 and 76. Right? I have inserted these the number like this, because I have I have made the second element as the root element after the inserting this node. Right? It's okay. And now I shall insert the next element, that is 38. We are again repeating the same number. So we are again repeating the same number, that is 38. So 38 will try to be placed here. In this situation, there will be two 38, and if we insert 38 into it, then 38 would be placed like this: 38, 38, and the next element is 76. Right? I have inserted number 38, 38. There may be a possibility that same number is repeated more than once. So after inserting 38, the next number is 8. That would be inserted here. When I insert 8, then this can be inserted easily, because this can hold 5, 8, 25. Like this. It is easy to insert. And the next element, that is 30. This can be easily inserted. Insert 30. This can be easily inserted into this at this position. After inserting 30, what will happen? This will be simply placed in after 25. So 30. Right? Like this. Now the next element is 15. After this, when we try to insert, these elements could be inserted easily because they are under the limit. So I have inserted the element 5, 38, 8 and 30 very easily into the nodes without performing any splitting operation. But when we try, the next element is 15 and that will try to be placed here. But in this situation, this node is already at its maximum limit. So in this situation, it cannot hold the next element and so it will split. So after splitting, insert 15. Then splitting will take place and it would be like this. Then 5, 15 and this element 8 will go up at the root level. Now this becomes 25 and 30 and 38, 76. Right? Here in the questions, what I have done, I have splitted this node at this second position, and after inserting the element, 15 cannot be inserted here. So in this situation, this is not right. Then we will try to insert then 5 and 8, then 15, 31 and 25, 25 and 30 and write to this 38 and 76, right? Here the splitting took place in this node. First what we do, we first insert the element, then after splitting 5, 8 comes at this position and 15 became the root element. Here the newly inserted element became the root element, and in this way, here the point I want to make it clear that in the splitting, what we do, we assume that the array is arranged in a sequence like in the first step. When we were inserting the fifth node, then this node was at third position. This node 31 was at the third position, and that if we assume that the packet is holding the 5 keys element, then the 31 was at the third position. Then we splitted this node as the root node. And in this situation, when we assume that 5, 8, 15, 25, 30 comes in a sequence, then 15 is at the third node or median position. That's why this 15 became the root node, and in this way the splitting occurred. Okay. After that, inserting 15, the next element is 35. The next element is 35. 35 would be inserted here. So after inserting 35, I am just using the board, insert 35. After inserting 35, 38, 76, right? This would become like this. Insert 35, we have inserted 35 also. After this, the next element is 17. The 17 will be placed here. Insert 17. Insert 17. So simply it will be 31, 5, 8 and 17, 25, 30 and right of this 35, 38, and 76. Okay. Now the next element is 23. The 23 will be placed here. So I'm just inserting 23. 23 can be easily placed here. 23, 25, 30. 23, 25 and 30. All are placed like this. So we have inserted 23 also. Now the next element is 53. The 53 will try to be placed here, will try to take place at this node. But this node is at maximum capacity, so this will split. For splitting, we shall assume that the 53 is inside the node, the 5 node, and the median node will become the root node. So after inserting 53, insert 53. So 15, 31, 53, 38 will become the root node. 38, 5, 8, then 17, 20, 25, 30, and here splitting has taken place. So 35, 38 and 53 and 76. Here this point there are two times 38 is occurring. One 38 is placed just by the pointer associated at this node. There should be no confusion, because on the left hand side the element smaller than or equal to that element can be placed. So 38 is placed here. Now the next element is 27. 27 will try to take this position, but already full, so splitting will take place, and 25 will move at the root level. So insert 27. Then 15, 25, 31, 38. Right? 5, 8, then 17, 23, 25, 30. Then here splitting has taken place. And here the 27 was at this position, so this part became 25 goes upward, and 27 and 30. 27 and 30. Okay, wait, 1 second. 27 and 30 on the right hand side. 25 upward direction and 25 move out of 25. 27, 1 second, 17, sorry, I have repeated the number, 25, sorry, 17, 25 has moved upward, so this position 17 and 23, and the right 27 and 30 on the 27 and 30, right? And this position was 31 and 38, and the right of this is 53 and 76, right? So 53 and 76. Here in this node, assume that 27 is inside the node and the 5 numbers are 17, 23, 25, 27 and 30. Then the median number would be 25. Then 25 move upward, and 17, 23 become the left child, and 27, 30 became the right child. So this, after splitting, this will look like that. So the next element is 43. So the 43 is greater than 38, so it would be placed here. So after inserting 43, simply we can insert it here. 43 53, 76. So 43 can be easily inserted. Now the next element is 65. When we try to insert 65, then sorry, 1 second. 53 and 76. 53 and 76. Here you have to pay attention that at this position, after inserting, when we try to insert 43, we cannot directly insert at this position. Sorry, because I did a mistake. Because we cannot directly insert 43. It happens. Student directly insert the 43 at this position because this node is having just 2 keys, and he placed the another key because it is under the limit, and he can insert maximum at most 4 elements. So he insert 43 at this position. But keep in your mind that every node that is inserted inside the B tree goes through the root node. When we will try to insert 43 at this position, this has to pass through the root node, and root node is at its maximum capacity. So splitting will occur at the root node, then only after that we shall insert at this position. So before inserting 43, after inserting 43, splitting will take place. 43, the splitting will take place, and so after this will be like that: 15, 25, 31, 43, 48, and 5, 8, then 17, 23, and 27, 30. Now there will be a problem here because this will create, especially pay attention here, in this situation the next word is 31, 38, and the element are 53 and 76, right? This is the situation, and in this situation there is no element in this node, that there is no element, and this is very unstable situation, and this is very unstable situation, and this is not, you have not filled any element at this position, and if you try to take element, there is no element which is in a position to lend any extra key, neither parent nor sibling nor left child nor right child. So this is a very unstable situation. But after that, when we will insert the next element 65, insert 65, then after inserting 65, this will go there. Insert 65, sorry, it would be like this: 65, then 76. 65, 76. Again, next element is, but this is in a position that it can lend, but after that, when we insert, next element is 48. The next element 40. This was, sorry, 1 second. 40, 38, 43, 43. 1 second. The element was not 48. I have written 48 by mistake here. The element is not 48. 38, 38, 38, and after inserting 31, 38, 31, 38, and 43. 31, yes, that was 38 and 43. That element was 38 and 43, right? 43. Now when we insert next element, then after inserting 65, and when we will insert, now even in this position, it will try to shift some node at this position, but after shifting there would be a single node, and this is not allowed. The minimum number of node is equals to 2. In this situation, this is the unstable state, and it will try to place this node at this position, but this is not even in that situation there would be a single node, and single node is not allowed. So when we will insert the next element 48, insert 48, then this will be like that: 31, 15, 25 and 58, sorry, 5 and 8, then 17, 23 and 27, 30, right? Here two element 38, 43 and the element are 31, 38, right? And in this situation, when we will insert 48 here, suppose this element is inserted here 48, now in that situation it will try to balance it, and for the balancing it, what it will do, it will make the it will shift 43 and 48 on as a left child of the 53. So at this position the 53 would shift here, and after that 43 and 48, and right of it 65 and 76. This is a very unique question because when it has extra element that it can lend to some node so that the tree becomes stable and balanced, in that situation what it do, it makes the 53 as the root element and shifts node 43 and 48 as to the left child to make it a balanced tree. So finally this tree will become a balanced binary tree. For a time being, this tree will defy some rules of the B tree, and this is very unique question. You will get different solution, but this will be the final position after inserting all the position element, and this will be now a stable binary B tree. So that will be the stable state for a time being. When we have inserted after inserting element 43, when we have not inserted the element 65 and 48, that was little bit unstable B tree. But that is the problem, that for using the order you may sometimes get unstable by B tree, and some position the B tree properties may not be satisfied completely. So this is the proper question, but after inserting these two elements, this B tree will try to maintain itself and it will reach in the stable state. So that's all about the B tree. Thank you.